Suhaib is in Birmingham. Suhaib, as I understand it, you were apparently going to be deported to Rwanda. Is that right?
Yeah, that's true.
Talk us through what happened to leave you in that position.
Actually, first of all, thank you for having me. And I'm Suhaib Jabir. I'm Syrian, from the Syrian nationality. I'm a journalist. I was in the country, and I think the whole world knows what happened in Syria. And I'm a victim of torture in ISIS prison and in Assad's regime prison. And I was seeking for a safe place, actually. So that's why I came here to the United Kingdom. And I spent more than a year here waiting for the final decision. During these months, the Home Office contacted me, and they sent me a lot of messages saying that I'm one of the people who must be deported to Rwanda because I passed through a safe place. But actually, I didn't, actually. And it was the first time for me in my whole life seeking for asylum or seeking for my rights, my human being, as a human being, actually. And I was so shocked, actually, when I spent all this time waiting for the final decision. And I was shocked more when they put me in the list that will be deported to Rwanda.
So can I ask, Suhaib, two questions from me? One, How did you get into this country, if you don't mind me asking, to claim that asylum? And two, what was the decision on your asylum claim?
Yeah, the first question is it's a very important question. Actually, I arrived here to the UK by the small boats. Yeah, but for Syria, as a Syrian, I can't get a passport.
Yep.
I don't have any other choice.
Yep.
And I can't also bring my family with me, 4 kids, four children, and my wife and my parents, on my dangerous road to arrive to the UK. So if I can, of course, I'll get a passport and I'll get a visa and come here to the UK in a legal way. And I respect the law, and I respect the way that the government treating this issue, actually. And I'm against the illegal immigration. I'm a migrant. I'm asylum seeker. But I'm against the illegal immigration. But I have no choice. I can't bring them with me, 4 children, in this road. And I have, for me, myself, I don't have any other choice to get a passport from the embassy of the Assad regime.
No. But you couldn't
the situation, they will refuse you.
You know the question that people are screaming at the radio. I'll ask it, Suhaib. Why was it that you couldn't get asylum in France or Germany or any of the countries that you passed through on your way to making that incredibly dangerous crossing from Calais to the UK? Because
I wasn't safe there, actually. I'm a journalist, and I've been tortured, and also not only in Syria, in my country, but also outside Syria, in Turkey, which I spent a period of time there. There was 2 attempts to killing me by ISIS terrorist organization there. Also, in the European countries like Serbia or Bulgaria, I've been tortured by the
which is terrible, sir. I mean, I can't imagine what you have been through. So you have my nothing more than my complete sympathies.
And in France, sorry to interrupt you, but in France also, I have a lot of my friends who was with me in the journey. They've tried to claim for asylum in France, but the French government refused them and give them some paper called the KTF, which means that they should leave France within 2 weeks. Right. So there was no chance, actually.
And what was the decision, Suhaib, on your claim itself?
I don't know, actually. I don't know what will be the decision. Actually, right. I'm afraid now. I'm afraid that my case will take a longer time because of the refusal of Rwanda case. Actually, the caseworkers dealing with the whole cases in a very slow way, actually. And I hope if there will be a final decision for me, a fair decision, especially that there's a lot of people, as you said before with the gentleman before minutes, he said that there was a lot of people who seeking for asylum or came here to the UK for economic reasons, but I'm not. I'm here to try to find a safe place for me and for my family and for my children.
What do you do to make ends meet, Seb? What do you do?
Sorry?
What do you do to try and make ends meet? What do you do to keep a roof over your head? Because you're not given a lot of money if you're an asylum seeker.
Yeah, that's true. Also, I can't work. I'm not allowed to work. I've applied for what's its name, the Aspirin card or something. The government, like £9 or something. They gave it to us weekly.
So do you have a job? Do you do work, cash in hand?
I'm a journalist, but I'm not working because I'm not allowed yet to work here. But the main aim or the main reason that I came here to the UK is to find a safe place. And actually, I was so shocked because I've been treated like this way.
And the idea would be, as you heard from the MP there, the idea would be that you would go to Rwanda and Rwanda could do with you as they saw fit, in the sense that you could be sent to Syria,
to the Assad regime, and that will be the most dangerous thing, because it happens. It happened also with a number of people whom have been deported to Rwanda, and the Rwandan government sent them back to their government, which they will for me. For example,
that was brought up by the
Supreme
Court.
If I go back to Damascus, they will kill me immediately because I'm a journalist. That was my charge, because I'm a journalist and I was filming the demonstration against the regime, which seeking for freedom and equality.
So you must be delighted that this has hit the buffers, this Rwanda plan, for now.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
You must be delighted that this Rwanda plan has been stopped for now.
To be clear, I'm with any decision or any law prevents the criminal activities or the human traffickers whom,
But that's you, sir. That would be you. Yeah. You are in the same bracket of people that, whether your claim is legal or not, whether you have a legal right to that asylum that you're seeking, the manner in which you brought that claim about by getting into the country in this fashion, that is what this seeks to prevent.
Yeah, I'm trying to prevent this. I'm trying to prevent deportation to Rwanda, but at the same time, it's a very important point, which is I fully agree with the government to prevent the criminal activities and the human traffickers. And I know how the things going in with those criminals, actually, because I'm a journalist. I know what's the crimes that they have committed,